Warning, I am not a professional. This is just a hobby of mine, and then from time to time I get distracted and do stupid things like cutting my finger off. Please don't do that. That really effing hurt.
O'Brien!
I'm trying to make a video! Got everything else pretty much where I want it. Now it's time for the tarp. And I think, I thought I wanted the hood open, but I just kind of thought, if I have it open, it's only gonna be that far. That doesn't look right. So what I'm gonna do, I'll make the tarp. I'll put it on here. All right. And then the hood is gonna go up on top of the tarp. Just so you can see the engine. You can make it look like you're working on it, whatever. And tarp can be there for two different reasons. And protect it from getting scratched, but not like it matters. And then so you don't see that horrible crap there, because that's hideous. So yeah, I think we're gonna make the tarp now. And yours truly, Rodney, is really wanting to do this. He's extremely excited. So he's gonna do the tarp now. So hey Rodney. You ready to help? Okay. That's enough out of Rodney. Yeah. Tarp's on. Of course, got to weather it a little bit. That's still pretty wet, but you might be able to handle it still. So, I'll see what I can do with it right now. Still pretty damp, but I think I'll be able to work with it. The whole idea was to first put it on the other body and let it dry and then take it off, but I think we were both more worried about it like being stuck on there, so I said the heck with it and I just told him to take it off. Now that I'm touching it, it's a little too damp, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. Let it sit overnight, dry. Probably just dry brush it with some black or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out in the morning. But yeah, I was gonna let it sit overnight and see it in the morning. All right, so now it's the morning. See if I can get this off of here. Oh yeah, that worked. Let's see if I can try to weather this a little bit while it's off, so I'm not getting any of the black back on the car. So that looks pretty good to me. Gotta let it dry. I'm gonna actually go put it in the food dehydrator for a little bit and see what it does, but that looks great. So then the hood, I'm just gonna glue it to the top like that. That's all I'm gonna do. So perfect. So I got that video done. Got the top on there, and yeah, just if you haven't subscribed yet, please go subscribe, hit the like button, comment, and stay tuned. I'll do a lot of how-to videos and be more of Rodney. Yeah, that's fun. Yeah, see you in the next one.
Are you about finished with your idiotic YouTube video?
Will you leave me the hell alone?